So today we will be changing the oil on the TNT25. So let's start. So let's get these bolts out first. So now as you can see, the bash plate is down, and now we need to get the oil bolt out. So this is the oil bolt over here. So I'll just put a can over here so that the oil drops in this. So now the engine is heated up. So now let's turn it off and remove this bolt. So let's now remove this bolt over here. I have already untightened it with the 17 mm socket. It's better you wear gloves because the oil will spill on your hands and they might get dirty. So okay, now the oil is coming out. We are going to put this back. And then just tighten it up again. So as you can see, there's oil on the silencer there. So it's because of the manufacturing defect, the pipe goes on like that and the oil spills on this. So we can't do anything about that. So going on further, you need to take off the oil filter. So let's do it. So this portion over here contains the oil filter. So we need an T-spanner or 8 mm T-spanner, and there are 3 bolts over here, so we need to take them off. So let's do it. So this is the oil filter over here. So while we take it off, okay, so I don't have a new oil filter right now, so I'll be using this one. Also I cleaned up the cover. Also I need to get this cleaned, so I can just clean it with a cloth. Okay, so this is now clean. So while putting it back, you just have to see this hollow portion right over here should be facing outside, and the closed portion over here should go inside. So this is how it should go. So I have now put on the oil filter cover, and now let's open this tap and fill in the oil. So now let's open this tap and fill in the oil. So here I am using oil from Motul, 1.5 liters. This is 7100 10W50 fully synthetic oil. The MRP on this can is about, see over here, so the MRP is 1255 rupees, and it's actually a good oil. So the bike's capacity, if you can see over here, it says 1.25 liters, so we need to fill in almost 1.2 liters of oil. That is, you can see markings over here. So we need to put this much of oil in the engine. So let's do it. So to check the oil level, so we have this glass over here. So the bike is on the stands right now. So I'll just take it off and I'll show you so that it fills up. It's now without the stand. Stand is up and the oil level is all good. Okay, so now the bike is on and it works really good. So I'm just heating up the engine so that the oil filter gets the oil and the new oil is churned all over the engine. So that's it for today. We have changed the oil right now and the next video will be about cleaning the air filter which sits right beneath the seat. So we'll do that in another episode. Peace out.